You might think 2025 is all about the flagships, foldables, ultra models, AI gimmicks, but what if I told you that the most underrated phone of the year might actually be a fan edition? Yeah, the Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be the tech world's quiet disruptor. The phone that doesn't scream premium, but just might outperform the ones that do. Welcome back. Viewers, Sam here! If you're into sleeper hits, spec curveballs, and smart tech choices that won't wreck your wallet, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe for more. So here's the twist. Samsung's latest leaks suggest the S25 FE could launch sooner than you think. The firmware is already being tested in both the US and Korea, with model numbers SM731K and firmware version KCO2 floating around. When Samsung runs firmware this early, that's not a leak. That's a launch countdown. And this phone might just ship with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. That's big, because Samsung calculates software support from the Android version it ships with. Meaning, the S25 FE could get one extra update over the base 25. That's future-proofing without the flagship price tag. Now let's talk design, the kind you feel in your hand. The Galaxy S25 F is expected to be even slimmer than the S24 F, and that was already just APM. Word is Samsung's going for 7.6 frame by using a wider, thinner battery. Doesn't sound like much. Think again. A thinner profile doesn't just look premium. It feels like it belongs in 2025. It's the kind of phone that glides into your pocket without a bulge and feels sleek every time you pick it up. And the display, a roomy 6.7-inch screen, just like the S24 FE, but paired with more efficient internals and polished software. That combo means better animations, lower heat, and smoother gaming. But the real kicker, the processor battle. Now here's where the rumors get spicy. While we were expecting Samsung to reuse the Exynos 2400, which is no slouch, there's now chatter about something even wilder: MediaTek's Dimensity 9400. This chip was originally meant for top-tier flagships like the Oppo Find X8 series, and if Samsung brings it to the S25 FE, we're looking at a huge leap in performance per dollar. AI boosts, better thermal control, and battery smart performance, that's what MediaTek is betting on this year, and Samsung might just be taking that bet. But let's not write off Exynos just yet. The 2400 variant still holds its own with a 10-core CPU and AMD's Sclip's 940 GPU, already proven in the S24 lineup. Geekbench scores show the S25 F reaching around 6,500 in multi-core tests, solid territory for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. So either way, you're getting a beast of a chip in a phone that'll cost way less than the Ultra. Speaking of savings, early whispers point to a price between $599 and $699. Think about that. You're getting a triple camera setup with a 50MP main shooter, an 8MP telephoto, an ultra-wide, plus a sharp 20MP front camera that supports 4K recording. Sure, it's not S25 Ultra level, but it's not trying to be. This is the smart buy phone, where value meets performance without bragging about it. Oh, One UI 8, it's not just a skin, it's what ties the whole experience together. Expect AI-generated photo editing, voice translation baked right into your calls, and battery life that actually learns your habits to stretch power throughout the day, paired with Android 16. That's future-ready. This phone isn't cutting corners. It's cutting through the noise. But we're not done. The S25 FE isn't launching solo. Samsung is also cooking up the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and they're ditching Snapdragon chips across the board to keep costs in check. The Tab will likely feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, with one of the highest performing CPU setups we've seen. A prime core running at 3.73 GHz and a multi-core Geekbench score over 8,000. Basically, it's a powerhouse in a tablet body, ideal for creators, students, and multitaskers. Back to the phone launch timing. With firmware activity heating up, we could see an official reveal by late August or early September. Perfectly timed to beat the iPhone 16 to the punch. Classic Samsung move. Quietly dropping a phone that feels like a flagship but costs half as much right before Apple floods the headlines. And here's what I love. The S25 FE isn't pretending to be something it's not trying to dazzle you with folding screens or 100x zoom gimmicks. It's just built right, with longevity, comfort, and power packed into a slim, understated body. It's a phone for people who want smart choices over shiny headlines. So is the Galaxy S25 FE flying under your radar, or has it landed right at the top of your wish list now? Let me know in the comments. I'm reading all of them. And hey, if you're as excited as I am about smart tech that doesn't break the bank, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for hanging out. Stay curious, stay ahead, and I'll catch you in the next one.